Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Pen Art Kun. In this video and the subsequent video series, I'm going to show you, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use a ballpoint pen to draw or illustrate. Now, the good thing about ballpoint pen, I think I have one here, is that actually it is very cheap and affordable. So you realize that for a very cheap price, so you can see that I got it for about $1.50. That's about equivalent to US dollar, about maybe like 120. I got this pen at just near my house. So it comes with 4 ink, blue, red, black, and green. And also that I think also comes with mechanical pencil. Yeah, correct. Yeah, this is the mechanical pencil. So you realize that essentially pen is easily available everywhere, and of course it's cheap. And of course the thing is that a ballpoint pen essentially is so easily available, and it also it will also be able to quickly express what you want to express. So there's no need to unlike other medium whereby maybe for like pencil you may need to change different size, different like maybe between 2B, 4B, HB, 6B. Essentially for a pen, you are able to actually do a lot of things with it. You can use it for like indoor drawing, outdoor drawing, quick sketching, line drawing, and also because this ballpoint pen essentially has ink, because it is a ballpoint pen. So realize that at the tip of the hand, the ink flows through. So you're also able to use a ballpoint pen to do inking. So we have line drawing, inking. You can also do thick or thin lines, like contrast as well, because ink will get very dark. So you're able to illustrate a lot of things with it. Also with a ballpoint pen, okay, essentially techniques like hatching, cross hatching, shading, stippling will be quite easily achievable, right? So that's the reason why I would like to demonstrate how to use a ballpoint pen to draw and to do anything with it. Okay. Second thing is that with a ballpoint pen, essentially you don't have to really stick to like certain paper surface. So you can see that for any type of paper, if I'm using white, but even if you have like other scrap papers or so, you can actually just use a pen to draw on any surface that you like to draw. Okay, so that's why it's very convenient. Okay. Thirdly, let's start with how to hold a pen. Essentially, when you hold a pen here, okay, maybe I just use blue. Yeah, okay. Usually, when you hold a pen, you could hold it just like as if you are writing. So you can see here, okay, just write. So like, okay, this is. Okay, you can just hold it as if it's writing. But sometimes when I want to like do drafting, or maybe just a quick sketch here, usually I will hold my pen slightly a bit higher, so that only the tip, barely the tip of the pen is touching the surface. So as in, you can see here, let's draw a circle. So this is so that the tip of the pen will, doesn't look like a circle anyway. Okay, right. This is so that the tip of the pen will just slightly touch the surface, so that you could, if you want to later, maybe like, okay, let's use red, just draw over it. So you could just simply ink over it. Right? Okay. So usually that's how you hold. You can hold any in any position that you like to. You got to hold it like maybe like just maybe using the tip here. Okay. Alright, okay, that is up to you. And also in terms of drawing, usually most of them will just use like the finger, okay, to maybe just draw. Okay, that would result in a consistent and also a very like dark value. If you want a lighter value, sometimes what you can do is that you can just simply use, instead of using finger, maybe using your wrist. Okay, or maybe you can just use your like using your elbow, so you can just slide across. That's for darker shape, or for like broader strokes. Right, so that is up to you to explore. Now next, let's start with some like gradations, simple gradations. Okay, so let's start with I think we can use black. For pen, what you can do is that you can actually create a very dark stroke. So you can see here. Okay, let's have this one. So this is a dark stroke. Okay, this is essentially a line drawing, so it's like one line. Okay, you could actually make it darker by simply just continuously going over through it. Right, very dark. You could use another stroke. To make it very dark. Okay, and of course you could make it lighter by simply not using too much strength and just lightly just go through it. So you can see here we have a lighter value, right, and even lighter. So that can be done by just simply like slightly lifting up the hand and just like feathering. And so you can see here, then we have a lighter value, right? So that usually takes a bit of like no, I don't think you really need a lot of practice, but yeah, you can make it very light. Of course, that will also depend on your pen, the ballpoint pen that you are using. If the ink flows quite fluidly, then yeah, it can be done even like that. So you can see here we have value here. Now this is just a normal ballpoint pen. I understand that on the market, some of them have a very like ink so-called darker ink. So you can see this is just a very normal ballpoint pen that will serve the purpose here. Alright, so now this is just the beginning, just the first lesson. So I think we'll just simply leave you there, and just maybe spend some time to practice on familiarize yourself with using a pen. In the next lesson subsequently, okay, we'll actually go into something that is more fun and also more complicated. We teach how to draw different shapes, different pattern, maybe different texture, okay, and also demonstrate to you how just a normal pen can be used to do many different things. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you then.